we're gonna play a little game, okay? So what's gonna happen is, Arnusha is gonna when I tell you, you're gonna let go, and you guys are gonna help by identifying the name of the song, okay? But when you have the answer, you're not gonna blurt the answer out, right? You're gonna be super quiet, making eye contact with me, and have your hands up, and that lets me know that you have the answer. We'll guess this song within one note or less. We're gonna play one note, and I bet you somebody in here is gonna get it. Okay, you ready, Arnisha? I love it. You guys ready? Yeah. You're listening nice and quiet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. So, you can wait there. Don't break anything, okay? What's your name? Chloe. What is the name of that song? Sucker by who?
Jonas Brothers.
Sucker by the Jonas Brothers. Give it up for Chloe. Give it up for her. That's amazing. One note or less. All right, let's go ahead and keep your hand on it. All right, and I want you to hit this button right there, and that's fine. Let go. Watch this. There we go. You guys recognize that song? Give it up for Arnusha. Thank you very much. When you let go, this is going to play, right? And let's do a different song that you guys know this. You guys ready out there? Yeah! Same thing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? And what's the name of that song?
Happier.
Give him a hand. All right, not bad. 1, 2, 3, let go. There you go. There you go. Wait here. Love the singing. Question for you guys. Question for you guys. The music that you heard, is it here? Wait. Or is it in the computer? Right? Show of hands if you think that the music is here. Okay? Show of hands if you think that the music is in the computer. Okay, very good. Great. You guys are right. The music is in the computer. So watch this. Isn't that crazy? Now, if she moves her hand forward, don't let go this time. I just want you to move it forward like, kind of like that. There we go. And can you pull it back? She's scratching. Can you do it again? And can you go back? Can you go forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. One more time, forward, back. Give it up for Mia for scratching for the first time. High five. Good job. Have a seat. If I turn the computer off, is this going to make any sound? No. It's not going to make any sound. If I turn the computer off, will this make any sound, do you think? You guys are correct. You guys are learning. Great. These are controllers. This is a controller. This is also a controller, and so is this. They have different functions. They look different, but they do almost the same thing. They control sounds that are right here on the computer. Very cool. If you can control sounds, then you can make music. Does that make sense? Okay, cool.